Assalamu alaikum, everyone. My name is Gulshan, Education Wali, and I am student of Rehan School System. Today, I want to make my review on the TEDx talk of Michael Trezay, that is the broken promise of education. Basically, Michael Trezay is a technology entrepreneur and CEO with 20 years experience. He has a formal background in fine arts and painting and combines his interest in technology, psychology, nature, art, and music to form a unique perspective on life and learning. Becoming a father made him critically reflect on traditional education and its limit in preparing future generation. This reflection led him to speak about how the current education system fails to fulfill its original promise in a rapidly changing world. He is also associated with Giant Leaps Learning, a non-profit aimed at distributing education and creating meaningful innovation in how we teach and learn. This TED Talk main message is that Michael Trezay argues that the current education system has failed to deliver on its promise of preparing your failed to deliver on its promise. This education system fails to preparing young people for a fast changing future. In his talk, he highlights several key points. A key point that are the core point of, we can say that, of education. The world today is changing faster than at any time in history. Yet education remains relatively unchanged. Everything is changed in the world except education, and we need, and we should be. This is the demand. We should try to change the education system. Second thing is that traditional education often focuses on rote learning, grades, and performance rather than on critical thinking, creativity, curiosity, and real world problem solving. And these all things we can know that these all things, that is critical thinking, creativity, curiosity, and real world problem solving, are the core points of higher order thinking. According to Michael, students tend to prepare school tend to prepare students for the past, for job and problem that existed before, rather than for the future challenges that technology, globalization, and social change bring. This broken promise result in a gap between the skills students are taught and the skills actually needed in life. He encourages a rethinking of education that prioritizes curiosity, purpose, emotions, emotional resilience, global awareness, and lifelong learning skills essential for success and fulfillment in the 21st century. The tone of this TED talk is inspirational, very reflective, and calls for urgent reforms in education. It's a message not just for educators and parents, but also for anyone who is interested in meaningful science, social progress. Uh, this TED Talk give us a clear critique of traditional education. Michael Trichet effectively highlights how education system can become outdated and misaligned with real life. Michael also gave us details. Uh, his message we can say that resonates in an era where technological disruption and automation reshape career. According to Michael, we should empower thinking beyond grades, emphasis on curiosity, critical thinking, and purpose make the talk more powerful and meaningful because curiosity and critical thinking are the point of learning. This is a thought provoking and motivational TEDx talk that challenges listeners to reconsider how we educate the next generation. Its major contribution lies in sparking conversation about what education should be in a world of rapid change. Thank you so much.